In the middle of a sun-drenched garden lived Benny, a broccoli with a very large top and a very small heart for adventure. He loved the warm soil and the morning dew, but he didn't like anything that buzzed, crawled, or wiggled. To Benny, the garden was a beautiful place, filled with very scary things. Whenever a butterfly fluttered by or a ladybug landed on a nearby leaf, Benny would shiver. He would pull his leaves tight around his stem and try to look like a plain green rock. "Stay away," he would whisper quietly, hoping the tiny visitors wouldn't notice him hiding in the shade. Right next to Benny lived Pip, a tiny sprout who was still learning how to stand up straight. Pip looked up to Benny with admiration. "You're so big and strong," Pip squeaked one morning. Benny just wobbled his leaves nervously. He didn't feel strong at all. He just felt like hiding. One afternoon, a shadow fell over the garden. It wasn't a soft cloud or a passing bird. It was Buzz, a very hungry and very grumpy beetle. Buzz had shiny black wings and a big appetite for tender green leaves. He landed on a nearby fence post and began to scan the garden for a snack. Buzz flew down and landed with a heavy thump right near Pip. The beetle looked at Pip's tiny, soft leaves and licked his mandibles. Pip began to tremble, her thin stem shaking in the breeze. Benny felt his own roots shaking in the dirt as he watched the beetle crawl closer to his little friend. Benny wanted to hide. He wanted to squeeze his eyes shut and wait for Buzz to go away. But then he looked at Pip, who was too small to hide and too young to protect herself. Benny took a deep, loamy breath and decided that he couldn't just stay a green rock anymore. With a mighty stretch, Benny spread his wide, curly leaves over Pip like a sturdy green umbrella. "Not today," Benny cried out. He made his leaves look as big and prickly as possible, blocking Pip from the beetle's sight. He stood firm, even though his leaves were tickled by the beetle's legs. Suddenly, a pair of giant boots crunched on the garden path. It was Mr. Green, the gardener. He always carried a wooden bucket and a gentle smile. He noticed that the garden seemed very quiet today and decided to check on his favorite vegetable patch. Mr. Green saw Benny standing brave and tall, protecting little Pip from the hungry beetle. "What a stout fellow you are," Mr. Green whispered. He carefully picked up Buzz and moved him to a faraway meadow where there were plenty of wild weeds to eat instead of garden sprouts. He gave Benny a gentle pat on his leafy head. Benny wasn't afraid of the garden anymore. He realized that being big was about more than just height. It was about standing up for others. Pip grew stronger every day under Benny's watchful eye, and Benny was happy to be the bravest broccoli in the garden. Being brave helps everyone,